Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at Bolt EA for MT4. I'll be walking through the MQL5 Marketplace page, covering the main features and settings, and then we'll look at the historical testing information provided by the developer to better understand how this expert advisor is designed to operate. Now, starting with the marketplace page, Bolt EA is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Fumilola Mabel Ojo. At the time of this review, the EA is listed at a price of 250 US dollars. The current version shown is version 1.1, which was updated on November 11th, 2018. Looking at the description, the developer explains that Bolt EA is designed as a set and forget automated trading system built around what is described as an enhanced momentum trading strategy. Now, according to the information provided, it uses a proprietary algorithm to identify trading opportunities that arise from short-term imbalances in volume and price velocity. One of the key points mentioned here is that the EA places pending orders rather than entering directly at market. The developer explains that these pending orders are activated at specific intervals and time frames with the goal of capturing larger market moves early in their development. So as I continue through the description, the developer also highlights several built-in safeguard mechanisms intended to reduce the impact of spread widening, slippage, and other unfavorable market conditions. That is important because execution quality can play a major role in the performance of any automated trading system. Now, the recommended trading symbols listed are Euro USD, USD JPY, and GBP USD. The EA can reportedly be used on other pairs as well, although the developer recommends conducting your own testing and optimization first. In terms of time frame, it can operate on any time frame, with M1 listed as the preferred option. Now, moving into the settings section, there are quite a few customization options available. Dynamic lot allows automatic position sizing based on a chosen risk percentage, while manual lot sizing can also be used if preferred. All right. There is also a max lot size parameter that limits position size when dynamic lot calculation is enabled. The EA includes start time and stop time controls, allowing users to define trading hours along with take profit and stop loss settings. For trade management, there is also a trade mode option which allows pending orders to be placed at different intervals ranging from continuous operation to specific timing intervals such as every minute, every 5 minutes, or every hour. Additional controls include max spread for spread filtering, clearance measured in pips, a reverse entry option for reversing entry signals, and several optimization parameters that can be adjusted during testing. Okay, so now let us move over to the back testing section. The developer states that Bolt EA was stress tested using 5 years of real tick data with 99.9% modeling quality. Okay, so the testing conditions described include variable spreads, commissions, and simulated slippage designed to resemble more realistic trading environments. So what I can see here is an initial deposit of $3,000 and total net profit was $942,656.35. And As we can see already, variable spread 99.9% modeling quality, max drawdown was 7.89%. This is 5-year back test. Okay, here we have GBP USD, right? Here again is GBP USD 5-year back test. This was giving us $1.3 million in total net profit from $3,000 initial deposit. This shows this is set file 1. Okay, this was set file N1, this was set file N2. All right, so this shows 2013 to 2018, both of them. Okay, we can see quite a steady equity growth there. This shows the Euro USD back tested results. Set file N4, 5-year back test still. Initial deposit $3,000, total net profit over $2 million. And I can see that the modeling quality was 99.9%, and the maximum drawdown was, I think this should be about 4.1 something percent. Now let's just head over to our strategy tester as well. Let us see how this EA performed on Euro USD on the M1 time frame as recommended over the past 3 months in 2026. So I can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit was negative 20.46, and out of 19 total trades taken, the profitable trades were just 10, giving us a 52.63% win rate. Largest profit was 2,118.18, largest loss 2,592.5, average profit 773.5, average loss 861.72. So that means that the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, right? Because the average loss is bigger than the average profit. Okay, so now let us turn on the visuals and let us look at this EA in action. Okay, so this is the bolt EA. We can see the dashboard here showing the magic number, initial deposit, current balance, current equity, free margin, floating profit, total profit in percent, max drawdown in percent, the current date time, and the GMT date time. Now, when reviewing historical backtest results, I always like to focus on how the strategy behaved throughout the testing period, right? Rather than just looking at the final profit figure. Historical testing can provide useful insight into consistency, drawdowns, trade frequency, and overall behavior across different market conditions. As I review the historical chart activity, I am paying attention to where pending orders were triggered, how trades were managed after activation, and whether the trading activity appears consistent with the momentum-based approach described by the developer. Since the EA uses pending orders at predefined intervals, the historical charts can provide useful clues about how entries were timed throughout the test period. And I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Additional testing can also help determine how sensitive performance may be to different settings and broker environments. So looking at the overall historical testing performance, it is important to remember that these are historical backtest results only. Future performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spreads, commissions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization choices. Overall, Bolt EA presents itself as a momentum focused MT4 expert advisor that utilizes pending order execution and a range of configurable risk and timing controls. As always, I would recommend conducting your own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment so you can evaluate whether its behavior matches your own trading objectives and risk tolerance. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Happy trading.